everyone! Welcome to Lee's Kitchen. Are you a soy milk lover or lactose intolerance cannot drink milk? Today I will show you how to make soy milk from soybeans. You don't need to buy an expensive soy milk maker. It's super easy. Totally take about 10 minutes. You will get fresh soy milk. Without further ado, let's get started. The night before, I like to prepare the beans. 200 grams soybeans, already wash it, and I'm going to pick up the bad beans and then toss it. And also the skin. This with yellow, it's bad. Okay, and soak in the water for overnight. If the room temperature is too high, you can put it in the fridge. The next morning, take out the beans from the fridge. The beans already doubled the size. So I'm going to rinse it after this, and I'm going to put it into the blender and with some water. The water should be 10 times of the beans. So it was 200 grams of beans. Now I 2 liters water. You can reduce the usage of the water if you want a thick and creamy milk. I'm going to pour into a bag. Okay, I'm going to do it for the second time. After the second time, we got this much soy milk. Now I'm going to pour the soy milk into a bigger pot. I'm going to boil it. Once you see the bubbling, and turn the heat to medium. And continue boiling for 3 to 5 minutes. Keep stirring. This soy milk has to be completely cooked. Already boiling for 5 minutes. I'm going to turn off the heat, let it cool down. If you would like to sweeten the soy milk, you can put 20 grams of rocking sugar, but I prefer to be unsweetened, so today I won't put any sugar in. Okay, the soybean is not that hot anymore. I'm going to pour into a container. Once it's completely cooled down, I'm going to put it in the fridge. It can stay in the fridge for 3 to 5 days. Thank you for watching.